Cold calling and recruitment. Best AI written scripts and practices. AnyBiz. Cold calling and recruitment can be daunting, often stemming from fear of rejection or disrupting someone's day. This anxiety is linked to a fear of failure and poor evaluations, making it essential to understand these factors. Being well prepared is crucial. This involves learning about the candidate's background, clearly outlining your discussion points, and practicing your script. Practice reduces anxiety by building confidence and fluency. Cold calling has traditionally been key in recruitment, but now faces numerous alternatives. These alternatives offer more ways to engage with potential candidates, sometimes supplementing or even replacing phone calls. Email outreach allows recruiters to send detailed messages and attachments, providing background info before candidates engage. Effective email outreach is clear and personalized, with strong subject lines and concise content enhancing engagement. Sites like LinkedIn revolutionize recruitment by enabling direct interaction. Engaging with candidates' content builds relationships, and professional yet personable messages are best. Social media expands recruiters' networks and reveals candidates' professional interests. However, ensuring messages stand out amidst the noise is challenging. Some platforms may require costly subscriptions to access full messaging features, highlighting the need for strategic investment. Utilizing AI tools and proven scripts can greatly enhance cold calling effectiveness. AI helps tailor interactions based on data, improving the chances of a successful recruitment call. Combining AI insights with best practices in email and social media outreach forms a comprehensive recruitment strategy. This multifaceted approach increases the likelihood of connecting with top candidates. Ultimately, embracing a mix of traditional and modern techniques, backed by AI, can transform cold calling from a dreaded task into an effective recruitment tool. AnyBiz makes finding and connecting with potential customers easier using AI. It targets the right people through emails, social media, and calls. The platform sorts and follows up with leads automatically, connects smoothly with your CRM, and provides real-time data to improve your strategies. AnyBiz is introducing an AI to automate and personalize cold calls. It will handle dialing, adapt conversations, answer basic queries, and transfer complex calls to humans. This enhances sales efficiency and lead management. Explore AnyBiz for advanced sales solutions. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.